Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AI tools with Canva detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Canva website or opening the Canva app on your device. Next, create an account or log in if you already have an existing account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the home dashboard where you can explore the various features. Search for AI tools within Canva by using the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Click on the Magic Write feature to generate text using AI capabilities. Explore the different templates available within Canva that utilize AI technology. Select a template that aligns with your project needs. Customize the selected template by incorporating your own branding elements. Utilize Canva's AI-driven design suggestions to enhance the visual appeal of your project. Experiment with different fonts, images, and layouts to find the best combination. Once your design is complete, download it in your preferred format, such as PDF or PNG. Consider using Canva's social media scheduling tool to plan and automate your posts. Take advantage of Canva's marketplace to find and invest in premium design elements or additional AI tools. Review and analyze the effectiveness of your designs using Canva's built-in analytics features. Stay updated with new AI tools being introduced in Canva by checking their blog or announcements section. Regularly experiment with different AI functionalities to discover new ways to improve your designs. Continue to enhance your investment in AI tools by attending Canva workshops or webinars for. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.